etagwo Nash kwao nĩ ikino na nĩ wa kanitha wa VBA na arenda na nĩ mũciari gũkũ wa ciana igĩrĩ nĩwakenda nyonire ciothe na arenda gĩtĩ kĩa MCA ikino ward. Thank you very much. Ekaruta wĩra mwega ta mami. Nĩ wega ngamayaga kamweke makamenyekana odwani no Ngai wanjiguĩrĩire tha ngĩmenyekana na akĩnginyia hau agirĩtie. Na sasa kwa kunyenyekea sana naomba tupigie makofi mama yetu Mheshimiwa Anne wa Muratha. Mpigieni makofi, amekuwa mzuri wa kutoka bunge, amekuja kutusupport, atuongeleshe na atubariki pahali nimebakisha. Asante mama.
Adu Gĩthũngũri mũrĩega. Habari zenu? Mkoaje? Watoto mko poa? Mko sawa? Ati mnataka swimming pool? Mswimingi hapo? Mutaniita to swim? Thank you. Nĩ ũndũ wa twana ndikwenda gũikara mũno. Ngwenda ũndũ wa mbere ndĩmwĩre na bwana ndacererwo tondũ nyuma bunge. Njokie ngatho kwa mheshimiwa wa gũkũ tondũ nĩ mũĩ tũtikoretwo twĩ ndũgũ tondũ kwa mũcomba nĩ oĩ kwĩhitha. Rĩrĩa kũrĩa tondũ tũrarĩ tũritũ twa kũgeria kũmũiguithia nĩ atĩa tũreka ngane finance bill wanganĩke wa mũcomba arũgamire akiuga I don't want to believe what I have not seen tatoma no niĩ wa Mũratha ngiuga rekei ndũgame haha nginya mathabu maya maingĩrane. Makĩingĩrana. Rĩrĩa gwatuĩkire nĩ kũrarehwo coolers na nĩ ikũheanwo ngĩigua nĩcio karoti ya mbere na ciathiĩ na gũtinoka cia Gĩthũngũri na mũnene nĩ aranĩire ngĩthiĩ kuo ngiuga cia Gĩthũngũri icio ingĩ iroka cia Gĩthũngũri ikorwo ciĩ hau na ngĩrwo ciĩ high kumbe wa mũcomba already nĩekĩte mathabu akanjia kũmenya maũndũ nĩ mahingũka mbia cia bara nĩ cioneka coolers nĩ iroka. Niĩ wa Mũratha ndetereire kũrehe coolers Gĩthũngũri nĩkuo ndamenyire wa mũcomba etagwo ndegiritanĩtie nacio biũ na ngathiĩ ngera PS na kuomba tafadhali coolers za Gĩthũngũri hazitaenda mahali tena, utatupatia zetu. Akijera wa Mũratha tafadhali, mimi niko na wewe, ziko high seas na zinakuja wiki hiyo tũradio guo-rĩ ngiona wa mũcomba nĩ guona kere arauga nĩ tutamũrĩu na niĩ nĩndathiaga rũgendo rwa bunge. Rĩrĩa ndathire rũgendo waziri ya PS ũrĩa thimũ akĩnjĩra sasa zile kura zako mwenyewe amekuja. Jamhuri mwenyewe ni nani? Akijera sura wa mũcomba wenu wako hapa. Ngĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ ũcio nĩ wĩrĩa gũtũthigithana nĩ gũtũthũkia mũnengere atware tondũ na rĩo MP wa Gĩthũngũri. Nĩ koguo ndĩrakwenda kuga nĩ atĩ mathabu marĩa twekire na wa mbere nyambe ndĩmũcokerie ngatho. I've never seen such a beautiful public school. Ndingĩrĩte gũkũ thĩiniĩ. Number one, rora kũndũ mũtongoria akwĩra maũndũ marĩa maingĩ. Rora mũndũ ũrĩa yarĩ mbere nĩ akwĩraga maũndũ marĩa maingĩ. Rĩrĩa ndĩroreire mwarimũ wanyu ona ngeithia harĩa nĩ nyendie gũcokerithia rĩngĩ atĩ ũcio nĩwe head teacher wa primary hana tarĩ CS. Nginya mwĩhumbĩre nginya thuti ĩrakwĩra nĩ tarĩ we CS. Ũndũ ũrĩa ngĩthiaga mĩcemanio ya cukuru mĩingĩ tondũ ngĩthiaga ngakora aciari mena cuguri meheire mĩhang'o-ĩ. Rĩu ndĩramũrora ngarigwo atĩrĩrĩ kana matarahĩa nĩ riũa tondũ ndirĩ ndĩrona mũgĩũkĩra, ndirĩ ndĩrona mũgĩthiĩ. And I have to rĩu nguga atĩa ndĩmũcokerie ngatho mũno atĩ rĩrĩa muoka cukuru kwanyu na mũtirarora thaa mũrarora tu atĩ mũkire nĩ ũndũ wa wagĩrĩru wa ciana cianyu. I want to salute you. Mĩtugo ĩkĩnyonaga cukuru ingĩthiaga ũkonaga skundi gaciari ndũrĩka maikaraga handũ gakona-inĩ matinde makĩnyũrũria arimũ. Mwarimũ agweta kĩndũ ũkona meka na ũguo makanjia kũnegena gakona-inĩ kau kao. Gũkũ ndĩrona mũkĩaria mwĩroreire ũguo mwerorera kĩrinda gĩa gũkũ nĩ kĩragĩcokire tutambu mwerorera. Na niĩ tondũ niĩ ndaugire ngũikara hau tondũ mũndũ ũrĩa wĩna indo bũrũri ũyũ nĩ mũndũrũme ta arũme aya tũikara nao nyũmba. Na gũtirĩ mũndũ ũtoĩ arũme aya tũikara nao nyũmba onao matiendaga matharau. Ũngĩmwĩka matharau atinde hau agũikarĩire egũgũthama rũcinĩ athiĩ gwa Cirũ agũtigĩre ciana iria ihana take akarere inyanya cia arũme angĩ na ndamake na augage Ngai atũre Ngai. Rĩu koguo niĩ ndamenyire atĩrĩrĩ kĩrĩa twĩna bata nakĩo nekerea gegitu na nekera igwa tukirwo turia kegu tugakira angikorwo bara citu ciahinguka ni tugukorwo turia kegu rekei tukige ni ndikwenda kwaria muno tondu ni mwenyi makwa matikome ma cukuru ndikwaria muno maundu maingi nie mucemanio nengeingĩra ngĩte mawodi no maundu maria ndirenda kwaria ma gĩthũngũri nie mucemanio ngwĩka haha stadium ona nie wakwa tondu uyu uma wa constituency nigetha njuke njarie maundu ma mama county nigetha andu aria maugaga ona ikundi ciao ikire ciaheo mbia na maundu macio mangĩ tũtikwariria gũkũ cukuru tũkwaria mũthenya ũrĩa wĩ wakwa no kĩrĩa kĩngonie ta sanitary iria mwanegeneire tukinegena rita rĩrĩ nĩ irokire through wabici ya woman rep na tũracineana sub county na ndoria mwarimũ ndakinya harĩa anjĩrire cia gũkũ nĩ ciakinyire na tũirĩtu twĩ safe hatirĩ kairĩtu gatarathiĩ cukuru ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩ mama county ekaga wĩgiĩ cukuru nĩ kũheana matangi na tondũ ndĩrerirwo njũke gũkũ nĩ wa mũcomba ira njũke mũcemanio wake ndakiuga ndigũgĩũka itarĩ na kĩondo itangi rĩrĩa rĩa rita 5,000 rĩa kũigĩrĩrwo gũkũ cukuru maĩ marĩa mekura April ciana iroka ikore maĩ andũ aitũ ndĩramũthaitha ngamwĩra rita rĩrĩ nĩtũrutĩrwo wĩra ndeto nĩ next year twĩ hamwe kana mũrenda tũkahũre ndeto tũrute wĩra story the next year mũndũ wothe wĩna karũgano tũgakaria next year hĩndĩ ĩyo ngĩtanie mwathurire nĩ kũnyenda next year ndigoka na karũgano ga kwendwo ngoka mũnjĩre nĩ tũĩ tũbeca nĩ tũnini nĩ tũĩ no na twĩ tũnini ũguo rĩ reke wekire natuo gũkũ gĩthũngũri macio timo mathabu tũgeka next year wekire atĩa nĩgetha tũigue kana no tũkũhe rĩngĩ kana tũkwĩre ũkinyange manene twĩ hau andũ aitũ rĩu niĩ ngwenda kũrĩkia tondũ mathaa nĩ mathiu mũno njuge wa mũcobe nĩauga nĩ egũtwara arimũ na niĩ ithabu-inĩ rĩu mwarimũ naniĩ heo namba na niĩ nyongerere arimũ magĩthiĩ 50,000 arimũ mathiĩ na rĩu mwarimũ tondũ cukuru ĩno nĩ yangenia mũno yahingũrwo tondũ ndikwenda gũtokoyanio maũndũ-inĩ ma wa mũcomba hane ta araithire ngurũrĩ-inĩ yake cukuru yahingũrwo wiki ya kerĩ rĩu tiga ya mbere ya kerĩ rĩu naniĩ ngoka ndiĩ ndigakorwo mwena wa aciari kana wa arimũ aya ũguo ngoka ndĩganithĩtie kũu macoda-inĩ mathwiti maingĩ makeki maingĩ na mwarimũ ka make sure we have a date with you ndikwenda gwĩtokoyanio wa mũcomba-inĩ tondũ andũ aigue na maũndũ manene ena mabeca maingĩ niĩ mabeca maingĩ ndirĩ no mathwiti maingĩ makeki maingĩ ngai macoda maingĩ tũkanyua the second week ya cukuru ingĩruta ũmũthĩ nĩ ngũriganĩra wa mũcomba ganithĩtie ũguo ndĩtĩkĩra no ndakwĩra na kiugo gĩkĩ mũteti kuma kũrĩ niĩ kahingũrwo ngoka gũkũ naniĩ tondũ niĩ ndikĩrĩ na cia gwaka thingira ndikĩrĩ na cia gwĩkĩra rami ndikĩrĩ na icio ciothe mathwiti maingĩ makeki maingĩ macoda maingĩ nginya ciarire mũkaigua ngumo ngai ũrĩa mwamũrathime na mwende mwarimũ itangirĩ harĩa 5,000 liters nĩũkũrĩamũkĩra na maũndũ macio mangĩ tũkĩrutithanie wĩra andũ angĩ gũkũ nĩ twĩ hamwe wĩra kana siasa mũraugire waikare kana athiĩ arehe mbeca kana athiĩ agakinya ũrimũ kũrĩa wakio athiĩ agĩra mbeca tũtahĩra gĩthũngũri tũrehe maũndũ marĩa mothe twamwĩrĩire nĩ gũtiakĩigua rĩ kairĩtu kongerera karaiguire nĩ ndakinyia kuras karaciĩteire hau rũĩ-inĩ gakĩre nacio agakĩnjeheria mbica-inĩ no athiĩ TV-inĩ nĩ acknowledgire atĩ nĩ ndamũbuatĩire thank you so much wa mũcomba na ndakũhoera ngai tũnyitanĩre niĩ kĩrĩa ndĩrenda nĩ tũkorwo na agenda ĩmwe akũruta andũ aitũ thĩna-inĩ tũthiĩ makinya macio mangĩ magĩe bara tũgĩe maũndũ mega tũrute wĩra mwega na twatua kwaria no njage kuuga ũrĩa we ũrenda njuge tondũ niĩ ndirauga ũguo ũroiga no thikĩrĩria nĩ kaũndũ njũĩ ũtoĩ onawe wĩ kaũndũ ũyũ niĩ itoĩ nĩ tũthikanĩrĩrie na tũtige kũgĩa na mahinda macio tũrerwo atĩ mokorwo maugĩrĩrie ũraugĩrĩria mũndũ wĩna kĩondo kawe mũkĩgu mũndũ wĩna kĩondo nĩ ambĩige haha thĩ tuone kĩrĩa tũrona matua-inĩ maitũ nĩ mai Ngai wangu amũrathime andũ a gĩthũngũri na mwĩke wega asanteni sana ũkoragwo wĩ mũhiũ ũguo ũguo nĩramenya magwĩtaga wa makeki na niĩ ngĩtagwo wa mĩcara na wa karinda na nĩguo ndĩtĩaga gwĩkĩra karinda kana mũrona hata ti kega gasawai arĩa manumaga social media wa karinda mandĩke ũmũthĩ gĩa smart nĩ karacainacaina
Na majitaka amesara umere majitara matura ile dokade na kiodo kajo kaitare. Dia na kiodo na niheaga na kia kwa kanya mumajitia ona ciarine majitagia kanya munanga mahe. Eni kwa kujitoa amesara kujitoa malinda hiyo ni sawa, niko chonjo. Lakini nitakaa hapa kwa serikali, nimalize barabara, nifanye nyumba, nitengeneze dikira na niendelee na kujenga swimming pool for these wonderful children. Dikaleta hali ya nidongererwo pesa, si andũ arĩa marathiĩ Mombasa. Mombasa tunaenda kana Desiree. Ndio no ngetumirwo na njuge ndinatumirwo. Nidongererwo ciringi 100,000 na ndongererwo nĩ PS Bitok, PS in charge of education. Kata wataleta rĩngĩ. Bitok kata wataleta rĩngĩ. PS wa education ni Bitok ndio kata wataleta. Julius, haya, ndatumirwo ciringi 100,000 nĩ mũndũ watwara afisi athira tondũ nĩ mũrata wakwa. Iyo rĩu ti ũhoro wa maũndũ ma thirikari, nĩ maũndũ ma ũrata. Oiga tondũ ndaigua nĩ watwara arutani Mombasa nĩ aikĩrĩria na 100,000. Rĩu twĩna cigana? How much? Ha mũciari mũrathime mwana wake ũrathire national school wĩ gũkũ ũngĩenda kuongerera arutani wĩra mwega. Onakorwo no 2,000 kana 5,000. Nĩ harĩ? Oh, meja wateka we hau. Kanyamu. Kuongerera. Mũciari mũrathime ũngĩenda kuongerera wĩra ũyũ wa arutani mathiĩ Mombasa. Ndĩna ngiri twathi kwĩ madamu wĩra wĩtagwo atĩa? Mama Baraka, niongerera 20,000, pigeni makofi tafadhali. Nake meja etagwo baba huu. Baba Jega, baba Boro, orongera cigana? Mwalimu andikaga icio cirandĩkwo hau na ũkandĩka Mama Baraka. Hei kĩondo haha. Orakorwo no ngũbia, mũtirĩ wangie. Nandĩte ndaga itherũ. Andĩka karatathi ka Mama Baraka ĩkĩ haha.
Are very, very important. But we are very, very happy, Mheshimiwa, that you have graced our occasion with Honorable Wamuratha. Karibuni, this is your school. Hii inaitwa shule namba 1 in Central Region. Thank you. Our chief guest, distinguished dignitaries, respected sponsors, dear parents, teachers, and my dear learners. Good afternoon. God is good. And all the time, and especially now, especially now, I want to say it's my great honor and privilege to welcome you to our President Day, a moment we set aside not only to celebrate achievements, but also to reflect on a journey that has tested, shaped, and ultimately strengthened us as a school community. Today, we gather to recognize excellence, to celebrate the learners who are being awarded, young individuals whose hard work, discipline, and determination have brought them this far. Your achievements, my dear learners, are not by chance. They are a result of long hours of study, resilience in the face of challenges, and a commitment to becoming better each day. We are proud of you and we hold a very special place in the history of this great institution. In the year 2023, we officially rolled out the junior school. It was completely a new system. And truth be told, it was not easy. Wazazi Junior School was not easy. There was a lot of confusion. Schools across the country were under pressure to adjust, and many found themselves stretched. Parents too were uncertain and at times understandably anxious about what this new path would mean for the children. We stepped into familiar territory. Learners, teachers, parents alike, unsure of what lay ahead or what would be expected of us. But in the midst of that uncertainty, we chose to move forward. Our teachers underwent a series of training to equip themselves with the new approaches to teaching and assessment. Slowly but surely, confidence replaced confusion. Systems began to take shape. And what once felt overwhelming started to become manageable in our school. The change in curriculum also came with a demand for expansion. And with the introduction of grade 9, with the need for additional classrooms became urgent. And through KPL, Ministry of Education, and our parents who partnered, we were able to put up this block. Madam Sub-County Director, Asante Sana. Our school was one of the first schools that benefited with the grade 9 classrooms. Now, wazazi pia, the collaboration was good. You chipped in and you were able to construct this story building which can accommodate yet another floor. We initially put 3 classrooms, doing the best we could with the resources available at the time. But what followed is a story of unity and commitment. Our parents later stepped in and partnered with the school, and through their support, we were able to construct the 4th classroom, the very new one, which we just concluded this year. Wazazi, jipigieni makofi tafadhali. Our class is now complete and ready to be used by our learners. Our parents, we want to congratulate you. We want to thank you. This collective effort is a clear demonstration of what we can achieve when we work together with a shared purpose. Today, those classrooms stand not just as structures, but symbols of growth, resilience, and belief in the future of our learners. Today, there are moments of doubt. We had moments of adjustments, and we had moments when we had to relearn how to move forward. But what stands out today is not the uncertainty we faced, but the courage with which this class embraced the journey. We adapted, we persevered, and today we have emerged victorious and celebrating the success of our school. In the new curriculum, we were especially proud to note the outstanding performance of the CBE Pioneer class, which had a total of 137 candidates. Out of the 137 candidates, parents, 123 candidates joined C1 schools. They joined national schools. And only 24 joined C2 schools. 100% transition. How legal? That is what we call the goodness of God. Sinikweli, imagine we did not have C3 learners, we did not have C4 students from our school, and we can only thank God for that. The mean score of our school was 7.2 out of the possible 8. A quick conversion, that's 90%. So our school had a mean score of what you can call exceeding expectation 1. Sema hivyo mzazi. Exceeding expectation 1. Because we must set smart targets for this year. Sinikweli, our learners participate in co-curricular activities, and in several years, they have emerged top nationally in some classes. You have seen this team that was entertaining us here. That team went all the way to the national, and they scooped position 1. Pigia hao watoto makofi. As a school, we tend to expose our learners to more activities in line with the objectives of the CBE. To our teachers, I extend my deepest appreciation. You carried the weight of transition with professionalism and dedication. You guided, you mentored, and supported our learners through uncharted territory. Your commitment has made all the difference to both our teaching and non-teaching staff. Thank you. From the classrooms to the offices, from the administration to support services, your collective effort has held this institution together and propelled it forward. And to our dear aunties and uncles who, even at this time, are in the kitchen preparing something for us. While others fed the mind, you made sure no one learned on an empty stomach. Your early mornings, your dedication and care you put into every meal have quietly powered this success. Today, we celebrate you too. To our parents, I want to say thank you for walking this journey with us. Your encouragement, your patience, and partnership have been invaluable. Education is strongest when the school and the home stand together. And you truly honored that partnership. Wazazi wajipatie makofi. Na watoto tupatie wazazi wetu makofi. To our sponsors, you have seen how our sponsors have come strongly. And stakeholders, we are grateful for your continued support. Your contributions, whether material, financial, or moral, have created opportunities and opened doors for our learners. You are an essential part of our success story. And to our learners, especially those being awarded today, this recognition is both a celebration and a responsibility. As you move forward, carry with you the values you have learned here: discipline, integrity, resilience, and a spirit of excellence. The future will present new challenges, but you have already proven that you have what it takes to overcome them. As an institution, we remain committed to nurturing not only academic success, but also character, creativity, and competence. This milestone reminds us that even in the seasons of uncertainty, growth is possible and success is achievable. And now to our dear chief guest, Honorable Daktari Gathoni wa Muchomba. Ever since you took this constituency, our school has benefited with over 25 million Kenya shillings. Appreciate Mheshimiwa. Today, what we have here is a milestone, 11 million plus. Piga makofi bwana. Wacha kinombo. 11 million plus. A lab, well equipped, 8 million plus. Tuko wapi? Tuko 19. Si tuendelee. Tukaweka kabro. Mheshimiwa wakati alifika kukawa na deni haikulipwa. 6 million plus. Tuko wapi? 25. I'm not guessing because I know, Mheshimiwa, what you've done for this school. We have worked with you. We have worked with you in this journey, and I can only appreciate you for being there during my time. Kahinda gakwa. Au ora imakofi bana. Nani alijenga laboratory? Ni Mr. Mbogwa wakiwa na Muchomba. Nani alileta basi? Ni Mr. Mbogwa wakiwa na Mheshimiwa. Nani alijenga lab? Ni Mr. Mbogwa wakiwa na Mheshimiwa. Nani alilipa hiyo kabro? That is what you are talking about. Those are achievements. And today I want to tell you parents, our MP is a warrior, and she has goodies for our school. Not because she's here. I don't want to preempt. I know she has a lot for this school, and let us support her to support our school. Today, Githongori Township is the only public primary school in Githongori to have a school bus. God bless you. May God bless you mightily. Wanafunzi, tupatie mheshimiwa wetu makofi. 3 factorials. Asanti, tumshangilie, mweke maua. Asanti sana. Every learner from ECD all the way to grade 9. Hii basi lazima ifanye nini? Itambeba. Na mwalimu yeyote, tukianza na yule wa chini kabisa na mfanyikazi, yeye pia atafanya nini? Atabebwa na hiyo basi. Na wewe mzazi, ukiwa na mambo ati unaenda unatuambia tukupatie weka mafuta. Tunaso? Hii basi ni akina nani? Ni yetu. It's our bus, isn't it? So when these girls proudly talk about our school bus, it is our school bus. Mheshimiwa, may God bless you. Mheshimiwa, may doors open for you, because you know doors are there. May they be open. Doors that no man can shut. God bless. Once again, I congratulate all our award winners and the entire pioneer class. You have made us proud. Grade 9, grade 10 learners who are here, wherever you are, can you make a shout? Grade 9, grade 10, can I hear you? Hey! Wow, they are there. We had reserved this tent for them, but our parents waliamua wao ndio wataketi hapo. But they are here with us, and we really appreciate them. Finally, as I end, I want to quote from Malcolm X, who said that education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Narudia tena, education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Let us give our learners a passport, for tomorrow belongs to them. May God bless you, our dear parents, our guests. May God bless you, and may He watch over you. As we close the school today, take care of our learners. We love them. Chunga hawa watoto. 3 weeks, turudishie. Tuendelee kukula keki. Si ndio watoto? Na kusoma. Hapo sawa. So I want to welcome our PA chair so that he can also make his brief speech. And after that, you also welcome the BM chair, haraka haraka. Ninaona mheshimiwa ananiambia mwalimu. Garageria. Garageria. Asante sana. Nipigeni makofi. God bless.
Thank you. Tupigie mwalimu makofi mazuri. Mheshimiwa Bia Shwada will take the least time possible. Our chief guest, our MP, Honorable Gathoni Mushomba, our women rep, Honorable Amrada, all invited guests, the members of the BOM, teaching and non-teaching staff, our runners and our dear parents. Good afternoon. Good afternoon once again. God is good in all the time. My name is Samuel Mirori. I'm the PA chair. And today stands as a defining moment in the journey of this institution, a moment to celebrate excellence, honor and achievement, and affirm our collective commitment to this holistic development of our runners. We are deeply privileged to be by the presence and continued support of the area MP, whose contribution to this school goes beyond words. The provision of a school bus is a transformative investment that has significantly enhanced mobility, access to opportunities and participation in academic and co-curricular activities. On behalf of the Parents Association, I express our sincere gratitude for this noble gesture, which will have a lasting impact on generation of learners. This institution continues to distinguish itself as a beacon of academic excellence. Since 2021, it has consistently ranked as the best in the region in KCPE, a remarkable achievement that reflects strong leadership, dedicated teaching, disciplined runners, and unwavering parental support. Equally commendable is the performance of the Pioneer Grade 9 class under the competency-based education framework. In 2025 KGCSE examinations, all 137 learners achieved impressive results, with 123 attaining C1 and 14 attaining C2 as alluded earlier by our head teacher. This outstanding outcome affirms the strength and promise of CBE in nurturing competencies and unlocking the potential of every runner. Beyond academics, the school has demonstrated exceptional performance in co-curricular activities. Its presence in the national levels, especially in music, reflects a deliberate commitment to nurturing talent and fostering well-rounded development. These achievements are a testament to the belief that education must extend beyond the classrooms to shape confident, creative, and resilient individuals. The theme of today's celebration, embracing CEB, nurturing talents, abilities, and cultural diversity to shape well-rounded and confident runners, speaks directly to the future we envision for our children. It calls upon all stakeholders to embrace diversity, recognize individual strength, and create opportunity to every runner to thrive. True education equips runners not only with knowledge, but with character, adaptability, and the courage to pursue their aspirations. Finally, as parents, we affirm our unwavering commitment to supporting the school in this noble mission. We recognize that education is shared responsibility, and we remain dedicated partners in creating an environment that nurtures excellence, discipline, and integrity. To the runners, this occasion is both a celebration and a call to great purpose. For those being recognized, your achievements reflect diligence and determination. Continue striving for even greater heights. For those yet to be recognized, remain steadfast and commitment, for success is built through perseverance and belief in one's potential. As we reflect on these accomplishments, we are reminded that the true measure of education lies not only in academic success, but the kind of individuals we nurture individuals who are responsible, innovative, and prepared to contribute to meaningful society. As it is often said, education is not merely about filling minds, but about shaping character and unlocking potential. And as the scripture reminds us, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. That is from Proverbs 22:6. May we continue to support, to guide and inspire our learners to become the best versions of themselves. Thank you so much, and God bless you. At this juncture, I want to call upon our BOM chair to make his remarks. Karibu sana. Let's appreciate him as he comes.
Let us appreciate our PA chair, please. Our chief guest, Dr. Penina Muthoni wa Mushomba, Honorable Amratha, our distinguished guests, our PA chair, our BOM members, our head teacher, dedicated teachers, our sub-county education officers, our parents, and most importantly, our brilliant people. Good afternoon. Hi, Mumechoka, good afternoon. We would like to thank Almighty God for the gift of life and the successful academic year. Let me begin with a question. What is the measure of a school's success? Is it the number of trophies like they are displayed here, the grades as Mwalimu has mentioned them, or the stars on the faces of our runners? I believe it's all of this and much more. It is the growth of character, the nurturing of talent, and the building of a future filled with hope. On behalf of the Board of Management, I wish to sincerely thank our head teacher, deputy head teachers, our non-teaching staff for their tireless dedication and commitment to excellency. To our parents and guardians,